Welcome. In front of me is an ID2ME ID1, and I will show you how to insert SIM card and memory card. So you will need something like this probably, or anything that will fit into that tray. The tray has a little hole where you need to push in on it so it pops out. You can see like so. Usually the phone should come with one of these. But you can use a paper clip or anything that will fit in there that is actually like stiff and rigid. So once you take these out, the first one on the top is for the SIM card. So you can take a SIM card like this one and just drop it flat on here like this, you can see, and then just slide it back in here and try not to drop it like I just did. Let's do that again, I guess. So like so, and as you can see, just slide it all the way in. And then the second one on the bottom is for the SD card. So you can see I have one here too, and this one will go like so. Make sure it sits flush, and also slide it back in there. You can see, and now they're both in. And SIM card, I need to put in the pin, so let's do so. And as you can see, both of them are working, SIM and SD card ready, so cool. So this is how you insert the SIM and memory card. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.